Hi, my name is Peyton. I'm the manager of Airsoft Hero, located in the historic district of Hamden in Baltimore, Maryland.
And I'm Joshua Meyer. I'm the tech here at Airsoft Hero.
Our store features AEGs, accessories, apparel. We also buy used guns, accessories, and apparel, and we also do quality tech work. Any details you can find on our website at www.airsofthero.com. And we'll be talking to you about airsoft. Loading your gas gun depends on what kind of gas gun you have. If you have a CO2 gas gun, you're going to use the small CO2 tanks. If you have a green gas gun, you're going to use the Airsoft green gas. Now to load your green gas gun, you're going to take the magazine, you're going to take your green gas bottle. You're going to insert it into the bottom, and when you charge it, you want to charge it for no more than about 3 seconds at a time. 3-second bursts, and to fill up the magazine all the way, it takes around 4 to 5 3-second bursts. Now that this magazine is charged, I'm going to load some BBs inside. Then after that, insert the mag, put the slide forward, and you're ready to shoot. For CO2 guns, some of the CO2 magazines will have a cover, some of them will not. You need to take the cover off, and then the gun will provide an Allen key. You're going to use that Allen key and take out the screw inside. And you're going to insert the CO2 so the top is to the top of the magazine. After that's in, you're going to put the screw back on, take the Allen key, and tighten it up. Now as you're tightening it up, you're going to feel it get a little tight. After that, you need to turn it a little bit faster, and you're going to hear the CO2 feed into the magazine. After that, load your BBs, insert the magazine, send the slide forward, and you're ready to go.